Hello and welcome to Onitola Education. I'm Onitola, an educator with over a decade of experience in technical vocational training, curriculum development, and distance learning. I'm also someone deeply passionate about how people actually learn, not just in theory, but in real practical ways. Over the years, I've worked in law enforcement education and training, designing programs, courses, and assessments that don't just look good on paper, but actually build competence. Because here's the truth. A lot of education is overcomplicated, misaligned, or just ineffective. And most people don't even realize it. So this channel is where we fix that. On Onitola Education, I break down how to design high-quality training, how to align learning outcomes, teaching, and assessment, how to create authentic assessments that actually measure skill, and how to use distance learning and technology effectively, not just for show. Whether you're an educator, a trainer, a course developer, or someone trying to make sense of learning design, this space is for you. I also share real insights from my experience, the challenges, the systems, the things that don't work, and how to navigate them professionally and effectively. Because good education isn't accidental, it's designed. So if you're serious about doing this properly, go ahead and subscribe, and let's build something that actually works. If you'd like to connect, collaborate, or work with me, you can reach me at onitola.education@gmail.com. Welcome to Onitola Education, where learning is practical, intentional, and aligned.